Real estate looks like a complex industry where many of you are lost and don't know where to start. Both buyers and sellers have found themselves struggling just before they decide on a plan. In this video, I want to share with you some secrets that will help you on your way to buying or selling a home. Stay with me, get peace of mind. You will be able to clarify your starting point and the way forward. Now, if you are prone to avoid responsibility or procrastinate on unavoidable tasks, this video probably is not for you. A real estate transaction looks essentially like an offer and acceptance, but there are challenges ahead. Buying or selling a real estate is not rocket science. If you possess the necessary skills, it's very likely that you can do it by yourself. Where do the challenges start? The first challenge, the first obstacle, or the first facilitator are you. I plan to create a series of videos that will teach you how you can get more engagement in the process. Please leave your question in the comments below so that I can address them in my next video. Therefore, subscribe to the powerful information I have for you. Do not forget to click the bell to receive notifications. Ahead, there are 3 questions for you to help you gain access to your solving mode.
1. Are you honest with yourself and the people involved in your interests, or is there a conflict that you must resolve first? 2. Do you have family, marriage, health, or legal issues that you must solve before looking for a realtor? 3. Are you ready to talk to a professional about all your concerns? Or do you think there's something you need to hide?
If you have outlined a true list of advantages and disadvantages, you will be able to move forward with more assertiveness. Soon as you have sorted out possible conflicts and have reached agreements and solutions, the next step is to find a realtor, yes? Now, here are a few real-life examples. Any of these examples, scenes resonate with you?
1. Are you choosing a realtor because he or she is the best friend of your cousin? Or is she a family member who gained a license last month? 2. Are you hiring a realtor because they are paying you $2,000 to list your house with them? Or are they paying some of your closing costs? 3. Are you hiring a realtor since she agreed to list your house $50,000 above the market price?
Right now, you are considering your own scenario, and there are no right or wrong answers. It's all about how do you want to move forward. Your answers will help you establish a relationship foundation with your realtor. Nonetheless, this is the turning point where you can be positively or negatively affected later in the transaction or after the transaction is completed. I have met many new homeowners that don't know they have to apply for a homestead exception because nobody told them. You may also find seller in troubles at the time of inspection, or even more disturbing, buyer who has lost their escrow deposits. I'm sure you will not be faced with any of these situations, since now you are finding the right strategy and plans for your needs. Subscribe to my channel. I will share powerful information on how to organize your plan to succeed. In my next video, I will show you how to find your ideal realtor according to your plan or determine if you can go through the process alone. It was my pleasure to prepare this material for you. See you around. Don't forget to click the bell to receive notifications.